Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Those who are joining now after 11:45, I request them please join on time. 1 or 2 minutes before, not on the margin time or 1 or 2 minutes late. Divit, Jigar Singh, please always join on time. Always join 1 or 2 minutes before. Dhyan Patel, always join 1 or 2 minutes before time. Got it?
Ma'am, your
Okay.
ma'am, your voice is breaking and your video is stuck in.
Children, is this problem is faced by all the other children also, that my video is not proper?
No.
Then Vedant, you do one thing, log out and log in quickly again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, now today we are going to start the new chapter. Chapter number, we are not starting chapter 2, we are starting chapter 3. Okay, chapter 2 also will come, but we will start after the chapter 3, we will do chapter 2. So we are going to start chapter 3 today, that is, yes.
Ma'am, my plaster is out, so I can write a little bit. The doctor said I can write a little bit, so I will just write in the class. Okay?
Okay. Unstable your camera, please, and switch on your camera and sit, everyone. Anay, Granth, Vedant, turn on your camera and sit in my class. Otherwise, you are allowed to leave the class, no problem. Please turn on your camera, Vedant. And Vihan Dobaria, please come back to your place. So we are going to start the chapter number 3, that is trip to Bhopal. Trip to Bhopal. Now, who will tell me what do you mean by the word Bhopal? What is this?
Ma'am, Bhopal is a state.
Yes.
It is the
Yes.
capital of Madhya Pradesh.
Very good. Who told me the capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Ma'am, Vishrut.
Very good. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Gujarat? Who will tell me? Excellent.
Gandhinagar.
So Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and the Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. So Bhopal is a state where they are going for the trip. So whenever children you go for a trip, what all the things you plan? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Dhyan Patel will tell me. Yes, Dhyan Patel. What all the things you plan before you go for a trip?
We will eat.
Be ready. Other students also be ready. Don't wait for your turn. Write it in the chat box if you know what things you plan. Write it in the chat box.
We will plan that we will make tent and we will
Okay.
campfire at night.
Okay. What else you will plan? And I request Rajiv Nakre to please remove this background. It will slow down my internet also. It will slow down your internet also. Yes. Dhyan Patel.
And we will do campfire and we will
Write in the chat box. I am expecting from other students also to write in the chat box which all the things you plan when you go for the trip.
we will eat mushrooms.
Yes. Vishrut, excellent. In this COVID situation, you plan for mask also, sanitizer also. Okay. Very good. Very good. Last, everyone, please write in the chat box. Jan, mute your mic and start writing in the chat box now. And I'm reading everyone's. Moksh is written gloves. Okay. So Moksh, if you are many people, number of people are going 10, 20, right? So how you will find out how many gloves you will take?
Ma'am, 10, 20. Then
So if you are 20 people going,
Ma'am, our hands are 2. So we
Very good.
multiply 20 by 2. So it will come 40.
Very good. Excellent.
40
So how you find out 20 by 2?
by multiplication, ma'am.
Multiplication. Yes. Vedant is saying that we plan for the snacks. If you plan for the snacks, if you are going 30 people, right? So each one will take, for example, one chips packet. So how many packets of chips you need to take for the trip?
30.
Yes. Tej Kumar, Mantra is saying first aid box. Dania is saying shield. Okay. Food. So children, have you observed that I am asking the question that if you are going for a trip and you are 50 or 60 or many number of people, ma'am, my microphone is not working. Okay. So if you are many number of people are going and you need to take the item or the snack or the gloves or the any things for each person, so you add, either you multiply, then only you will able to find out. Yes or no? Yes. So before learning what they are doing on the trip to Bhopal, we need to learn the 4 basic mathematics operations. And mathematic operation kya hai? Like doctor also need to learn some operations, no? For doing the operation. Same way, you also, for in mathematics, you also need to be specialized in 4 basic operations, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. So in this chapter, we will only discuss about these pointers. So before going to the chapter, we need to be specialized ourselves in these 4 basic mathematics operation. In 4 basic operation में हमें अपने आप को specialize करना है. Then only we will able to plan a trip, right? If you know multiplication, if you know addition, then only you will apply it. Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. Yes. So first we will start today with the addition operation. Which operation we will start? We will start the addition operation. And addition operation is having some rules, some basic properties which you should know. Okay. For example, you have learned maybe in grade 3 also a property of 0. Who will tell me? Raise your hand, virtual hand. Who will explain me this property of 0? Raise your virtual hand so that I can call your name. Let me take the attendance also for a minute. And please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Moksh, can you please explain us?
Ma'am, in property of 0, if something is adding with 0, so the answer will come what is adding, no? Like 0 plus 5. So the answer will come 5.
Very good. If you,
That's the
Aradhya,
property
will,
of 0.
okay. Aradhya, you will tell us the property of 0. What do you understand by the property of 0? In addition. In addition.
If we add a 0, so the answer will be number. It's
Same number, right?
yeah.
Mantra, will you try? Will you give me one example of property of 0? Others, if you know the answer, please write it in the chat box. Give me some examples with the property of 0 in addition. Yes, Mantra.
Ma'am, anything multiplies to
Multiply, no, we are learning addition just now. 0 property apply in addition also, in subtraction also, in multiplication also. But right now we are applying it on addition.
Ma'am, 5 minus
Addition is the plus. If you add, suppose you have only 10 chocolates and you are not giving anything to anyone, means you are giving not, You are giving 0 chocolates to anyone. 100 chocolates, suppose you have, and no, sorry, not giving, not adding. We are doing adding. So if you have 10 chocolates and nothing you have added, 0 added in this. So what will be the answer, Mantra?
100.
Same number. Got it? If we add 0 to any number, we get the same answer. And in grade 4, you will learn with 5 and 6 digit numbers. This concept will be with 5 and 6 digit numbers, not with 1 or 2 or 3 digit numbers. Because we already learned the number system. In that, I have explained you till lakhs, right?
Yes.
So all the operations.
Ma'am, I have done Roman numbers till 1 lakh.
Oh, excellent. Now I am going to start the property of 1. Property of 1. What does the property of 1 says in the addition? Manya, can you please explain us? Manya, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please explain us what does the application of property of 1 in the addition?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Vishrut, please tell us. Vishrut,
Ma'am, property of 10.
Yes. If we add 1 to any number, what will happen?
Ma'am, we will write one number. We will add one number, so we will get another number, just like 2 plus 1 equals to 3.
So 3 is what of 2? 3 is
Answer.
what of, answer is that. Okay, you are right. That 2 plus 1 is 3. When you add 1 to any number, you will always notice that you will always get the successor of that number. You have learned successor
Yes.
and predecessor.
Ma'am, I was writing that only in the
Yes.
So when you add 1 to any number, for example, you have 100 chocolates. You add 1 chocolate more. How many chocolates you will get now, Vedant?
101.
Yes, Vedant, give me the answer.
101.
Very good. Yes. David, if you have 103 chocolates, if you add 1 to that more, so how many chocolates you will get? If you have 103 chocolates, if you add 1, then how many chocolates you have together now? All together. David, you just come for sitting in the class, or if teacher asks, you need to give the answer also?
My name is Divit.
Divit or David. Okay, it's my pronunciation is wrong now. Sorry. Divit.
Yes, 104.
104. Have you noticed that you getting the successor of your answer? Your given number when you add 1 to the number? Yes. Now, if two numbers are added in any order, for example, 3,642 plus 2,535. If we add them in this way, or if we write 2,535 plus 3,642, if we change their orders, if we change their positions, then also the answer will come same. Got it? Then also the answer will come same. Addition में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Only the effect goes to the subtraction that we learn in the subtraction concept. When you are adding some numbers, there if you add, for example, 99 plus 100 or 100 plus 99, answer is same. Got it? And if there are some group of numbers are given to you, more than 2 or 3 groups are given. In that also, for example, 105 plus 165 plus 132. So if you add these two groups and then in the final answer, if you add this, then also the answer will be same. 105 plus 165 is 10, 7, 270 plus 132 you will do. Then also the answer will be same. Or if you add these two first, and in that answer, if you add 105, then also the answer will come same. Got it? Or if you want to add them together in a one column wise, 105, 165, 132, then also your answer comes same. 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So all the four properties are clear to you. Zero property, one property, order property, and changing the groups in the different way. Now, if you see in the question, if I say more than word is coming, more than, for example, this is coming 376, more than 1600, 16,742. So when more than word is coming, what you will do?
Addition.
Yeah, in that case, in this number, you will add this number. Then you will get the answer. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose if you are adding some numbers. 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. If you are adding these numbers. Now, after adding, the answer is called what in the, now, Rajveer Nakhre will tell me. Rajveer, please turn on your camera. Vedant, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajveer, you tell me the answer in the addition is called what? It's having some name. उसका कुछ नाम होता है. The answer in the addition. And when you add, children, please remember write their places also at the top. When I will send you the worksheet, it is not arranged in the column wise. Right? You need to arrange them in the column wise, write their places, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Got it? After writing the places, you will add them. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 4 is? Who will tell me 8 plus 4 is what?
12.
Vedant, my 12 is right?
12 is right.
So I need to write the 12 like this only?
Ma'am, I can't see you. Your camera is off.
Please check. Other students, please check.
No, ma'am, your camera is on if we pin you.
Yeah. Niva,
It's off.
everyone has to pin me. Don't think that you need to see. Yeah, Niva, you tell me. I have written 12 here after getting the answer. I am correct? Yes or no? Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen. Your video is off, but I can hear you. You can just say the number.
4 plus 8 is 12. I have written the 12 together. Please pin on my board screen. Manya, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I request to you all, please pin on my board screen.
We have pinned you. Your voice is coming, but the camera is not able to be seen.
Wait a minute, then I have to log in with. Wait. Give me 1 minute.
We have to rejoin.
No rejoin. Wait a minute. I will check the internet and you also check your internet. Now check. Coming clearly?
No, ma'am.
Please check again. Refresh it. Now coming clearly?
Ma'am, it is coming. Yes, ma'am.
Please log out and log in again. My camera is clear now.
Ma'am.
Yes, I was asking from one child, Niva. Niva, now you able to see my board?
No, ma'am.
You please pin on my board screen.
Ma'am, I
I have pinned only.
Yes, now Vihan will tell me. Vihan, I am correct here. Vihan, am I correct here? I got 4 plus 8 is 12. And I have written 12 together here. Am I correct?
No.
So what I have to do?
You have to write one up at the 6.
Yes, I need to carry forward 1 year at the 6, at the hundreds place. Got it?
Now it is right.
Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 1 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 5. Now, children, tell me what is
Excuse me, ma'am.
addition? Yes.
Ma'am, I rejoined also, but I am not able to see.
My dear, maybe some network issues is coming from your side. Okay, log out and log in again.
Okay.
These numbers in addition are called what? First group, second group, these are called what? When you add these two groups, these are called what? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. I want more students to raise their hands and give me this answer.
What, ma'am?
These numbers in addition are called what? इस group को हम क्या नाम देते हैं? इसको when you are adding, this is the one group, another group. When you are adding them, these are called what?
Ma'am, I can't see you board when I pin.
So, and without pin, you can able to see me.
No.
Why this is happening, children? Many of you facing the same difficulty with the network?
Ma'am, you're audible, but your camera is off.
My
Yes,
camera.
ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am, it's like that.
I will off and on my camera now. Now, please check. No?
No. No, ma'am, we can see.
Many of them are able to see. Maybe network issue from your side is coming. My dear.
We are unable to see, ma'am.
But others can able to see. Yes? Yes or no, other students?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay. Maybe network issue from your side. Okay. So these are called addends. These are called addends. These are called
Addends.
addends. So this is called addend 1.
Addends.
Addend 1.
Addend 2.
Addend 2.
Addition hai na? We are doing the addition, so always remember the numbers which you are adding are called addend. Add se addend bana. Got it? And the answer in the addition is called sum. Jigga Singh, mute your mic, please. The answer in the addition is called sum. So you should remember these terms, please. Now I will discuss with you about the word problems.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I cannot see your screen proper.
Just now you were able to see. Now again you're facing the difficulty. Wait a minute, Lynn. Please check now.
Ma'am, now it is
Visible? Okay. So now we discuss about the word problems. Okay. For example, you went to the garden, you have plucked some flowers, right? Right, 239. And then after that you realize you need more flowers. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And visible also?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have taken these flowers and then again you have taken the more flowers. How many flowers all together? Word all together is coming. Word total is coming. These are the some words. Word sum will come. These are the key words which you will find in the word problems of addition. Find the sum or find the total or do the all together. Yes.
The answer is 348.
I'm not asking the answer. I'm telling you the concept. It's okay. Good. You have solved this. So the word problems where when you find the word all together, when you find the word total, when you find the word find the sum, okay. In that case, you need to do the addition. And always remember that in word problem, you need to write the statement also. And statement is nothing to learn. Statement on of each and every word problem is given in the word problem only. First line, first statement. Second line, second statement. And what they are asking will be the third statement. Statement of the word problem is always given in the word problem only. But always remember how much word, find word. These words will not come in the statement. Am I clear? Okay. For example, now you start, give me one example of addition with the statement. Write it in the chat box. Write it in the chat box. Everyone, I'm expecting from everyone to write in the chat box one word problem on addition with the statement.
And now I can see your screen with.
Thank you. Write one word problem. I'm expecting. Now, Vedant, you able to see me? Vedant?
Oh, ma'am.
So do one thing now. I'm just only saying the verbally. So can you hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So can you frame a word problem in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Anne, please write one word problem on addition in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, please write word. Vihan Dobaria, write word problem in the chat box. This answer you want to check? So 239,109 gives you 348. Your answer is right. Okay. I'm audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write in the chat box one word problem with the statement. Not simply the answer 304 plus 4. No, I don't want digit. I want word problems. Manya has written, I have 20 books and my mother gave me 10 more books. Now I have 30 books together. Now I request to you all, please start with the 5 or 6 digit numbers because now you are in grade 4. 5, 6 digit numbers used. Rajiv, you please solve it and find the answer. Don't ask from me. Bhavya Sagar, I want word problem. Word problem is having some story problems I'm asking. I'm not asking the sums, simple sums.
Ma'am, can I have to write again?
Yeah, one more with the 5 or 6 digit numbers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And I'm going to send you the worksheet based on this concept which we have learned today. You will have to do it in the notebook with the question and answer. Proper in the word problems, proper statement. I am expecting from everyone to write the word problem in the chat box, please. Don't sit simply in the class.
Ma'am, I
Viva.
cannot see your screen.
I am not showing anything on screen. If I am audible to you, you please listen to me. I am not saying, I am not writing anything on my screen. Aradhya, please listen. Yes, you need to frame the word problem. Story problems. Vedant has written, shopkeeper gave me 50. Vedant, I request you to frame the word problems with 5 or 6 digit numbers, not with 2, 3 digit numbers. Use 5, 6 digit numbers. Story is okay. I have 100 chocolates. My friend gave me more, and now I have this. Story is okay. But in a story, please write the numbers which is having 5 or 6 digit numbers. Got it? Dania, same copy paste. I want something else. This child has written good one. Wait, let me read mantras. Our farmer had 1,000 mangoes and 500 apples. How many fruits does he have total? Good. So please write the answer also with the statement mantra. Manya, I have 5,500 books. My mother gave me 5,560 books. Now I have. Very good. Very good, Manya and Mantra. Please write the statement. Write the answer with the statement. And I request you all those who are here, I think in my maths class, everyone is here. So I am requesting everyone to please present in HRM also. Because in your HRM class also attendance is going. So please be present in HRM class also. We are doing nice activities in the HRM also. So no one get absent. I request everyone to please be present in your HRM class also. Homeroom class. Yes, Anne has written, but Anne, I am again requesting you to please do the word problems with 5 or 6 digit numbers, not with 2 or 3 digit number, which you have already learned in grade 2 and 3. Now you are doing all the operation with large numbers. Vishnu, you also please write. Why are you sitting? Moksh has written, I have 1,111 books in my shelf and my papa gave 29 books to me. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't write because I will write my laptop sometimes automatically leave.
Okay, so you have some story to explain me on based on addition, so you can do verbally, no problem.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, my
Yeah,
question is right.
yeah. I will read it again also, Moksh. Yes, Vishnu, please.
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I go to washroom?
yes, please. Yes, Vishnu.
Ma'am, my story is there is a farmer who has 500 watermelon. 5,000 watermelons, and he has apples 2,000. So how many he has now in all? So my answer is 7,000 of all.
Vivan Dobaria has made, let me read. Vihan has written so big number. If the cost is rupees this, how much is double of it? Vihan?
I have written 6 words only at that.
But
9. I've written first 9 after comma, 6, comma 999.
so if the
And
cost of what? Cost of what? Cost of which item is 9,056?
I forgot to write chocolate.
Write it again, okay? Viva has written, I have 10,000 hair ties. My mother gave 700 hair ties. Now I have 10,700. Very good, Viva. Tej Kumar has written, I have 1 lakh page in my notebook and in 50 more other notebook are 50 what? Just please check 50 what? 50,000 or only 50? If 50,000,
Only 50.
so then it will wrong. Then addition is wrong. It will not be 1,50,000 then. Your addition is wrong.
In the chat box.
Okay, Aradhya, I have 6 caps and my mom gave 9, that is 15. Your story is good, but your numbers are small numbers. Use the large numbers. Okay. Yes. Who else is saying, ma'am?
Ma'am, mantra.
Yes, Mantra.
Ma'am, I have solved.
Mantra, let me check.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also written a
Teacher, my
story.
time.
Okay. So mantra, just only mangoes and apples is not enough. You need to write enough that
Ma'am, I have
farmer.
written chocolates now.
Okay. Farmer having 9,000 mangoes. Farmer having 500 apples. This way. Only writing mangoes and apples is not enough. Okay. Got it, mantra?
Ma'am, check my sum also.
Wait. Which child is saying check my son?
Ma'am, Dania.
Dania, what? Yes. After Dania, I'll end the class. I have 1,000 chocolates and my friend gave me.
Ma'am, Sujata
Gave me
joined.
1,000. Okay.
Ma'am, is my statement right?
Ma'am, is my statement right? I have written the
Sujata
number.
ma'am.
But
This
I
now
have,
they will have HRM class till 9:30.
ma'am, this is right.
मैम
My
ये HRM का क्लास है ना मैम हो
Ma'am,
गया है
ma'am, 12:20 to 12:30 will be HRM.
या
So it is 12:20.
या 12:20 हुए HRM
But you are in. Okay. I will.
21 हो गए ना हाँ
Yes, I will.
my is right.
या
Yes, I will read tomorrow and will get the. Ma'am, can you please leave for a minute?
या
Yeah, ma'am.